guys, welcome to Talking Money with Nozi, personal finance made simple. Being financially ready for a new year involves looking at your financial situation holistically and making a plan to achieve your financial goals. Here are some steps that you can take to get financially ready for the new year. Step number 1, review your budget. Take a close look at your income and expenses for the past year. Identify areas where you can cut costs and find ways to increase your income. Step 2, set financial goals. Think about what you want to achieve financially in the new year. Do you want to pay off debt, save for a deposit on a home, or invest for your retirement? Setting specific and achievable goals will help you create a plan to achieve them. You can also create a budget to help you track your spending and reach your financial goals. Step number 3, make a plan. Once you've identified your financial goals, create a plan to achieve them. This involves creating a budget, finding ways of increasing your income, and setting up debit orders for your savings or investment accounts. Step number 4, save for emergencies. It's important to have an emergency fund in case of unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Aim to save enough money to cover a minimum of 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. Step number 5 is to check your credit report. It's important to check your credit report once in a while to make sure that it's accurate and to identify any errors or fraudulent activity. You can ask for a free copy of your credit report from Experian or TransUnion once a year. Step number 6 is to review your investments. If you have investments, review your portfolio to make sure it is diversified and aligned with your financial goals. If you are not sure, speak to an independent financial advisor to help you with reviewing your investments. By following these steps, you can be financially prepared for the year ahead and work towards achieving your financial goals. That's it for today's short video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Do you want to pay off debt, save for a deposit on a new home, or invest for your retirement?